In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to enable reviews on your Facebook page to gather feedback and engage with your audience effectively. To start, open the Facebook app and log in to your account. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, denoted by 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and select Pages from the menu. Next, switch to the specific page where you want to allow reviews by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen. Choose the page you wish to switch to. Now, tap on your page's profile picture. Then, click on the edit icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Edit Your About info at the bottom of the screen. Under Basic Info, locate the pencil icon next to the star icon. Click on it to access the settings related to reviews. Finally, toggle the switch to turn on Allow Reviews on your page. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled reviews on your Facebook page. This feature will now allow your audience to share their experiences and feedback, enhancing your online presence. Thank you for following our guide. We hope this tutorial has been informative and beneficial in optimizing your Facebook page for reviews. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and insights.